It's just one sparkles today because the other sparkle girl wasn't here because it's just me because she already did her sparkle girl's pose. But I have this pose and she had it a rose pose. So today I'm going to be making a butterfly pose here. And now let's get ready and let's see what's inside it. So these are the paint diamond strings that I'm going to be using. And things on the back. So, and also I think I had this. So this is to stamp it. And these are to go inside here. And then you have it and then you paint it on here. So let's see what's else inside here. We have these stuff that are inside here. So now I'm just gonna put these down and now let's just get started. So this is my purse now. I haven't started it yet. So this is the letter C and I'm gonna put it on the C on the purse. So you see how there's C's on it? So this is a C, this is a C, and that's a C. So, and now this is a 5. So it only has 2 things in it. And you're gonna dot it on the 5s. So also, this is the letter A's. You're gonna dot it on the A's. But I don't see the A anywhere. And also, if you see another 5, this 5 right here, you're gonna put on these a bunch of 5s. So these are some golden ones. You're gonna dot it all over the ones that are on the outside of the butterflies. And here are 3s. Gonna dot it over the 3s. So these are 6 and 4. These are C. These are 8. These are 7. These are 6. These are A. And these are 5s. And also this is 5. And 1. So now let's just get started. So let's take it off. And so this is how the purse is right now. So you don't touch it because it's really, really sticky. So when you touch it, it kind of sticks to your finger. So I'm first going to start with the 1. So my mom has to help me cut it open. So these are the ones, and I gotta pull it carefully inside. And I'm gonna start with that much. So now these are beeswax. You're gonna dip it inside here, but we already did that. So now let's just get started. So this is how my painting times are going. Remember, I make the sparkle goes fun. Yesterday, well not yesterday, but the day before that. Remember? Yeah. So
she was working on her butterfly purse.
Yeah, this
as you
is
may
my
or may
sister.
not remember.
So this is my sister right here. Remember from
Saw you guys.
And she's looking on this flower picture. So this is how I'm doing. But I'm kind of looking like on these pink ones now. I think they are 6s. These are 6.
So my sister's working on the sixth one. Sorry. Yeah. And what I'm working on is, you can see our microphone here so we can talk. And you guys can hear us. So what I'm working on is, I got a flower pack that I can show you guys as soon as I get the stand. So I can show you guys that right here you have 5 different flower pictures. I don't know which one of the small ones I'm working on, but I'll be able to tell you guys once I finish my picture. And if you guys want to know, it's a flower picture. Here is the big, here's the big line of all the stuff. And I also have my wax here to help this thing get filled. You can see it on Charlotte's wax. But, yep. This is my pen. See, but it's just different because it has this end thing on it, and my sister's does not. So, and then I also have, there are lots of different varieties of pink. The only colors that are different than pink are the whites and the greens. These, the reds are just darker, a dark pink. So, but we'll see. So, well, I'll just get some waxing, and you'll get to see me and my sister do this. So, yeah. Okay, bye.